Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the iced mocha from Starbucks. So this looks a lot like a chocolate milk here. It's very dark. It's got whipped cream on the top. I just took this home, so it kind of melted a little bit into the cup, but that's alright. Got the iced mocha, and whipped cream. Excited to try this one out. I already had a little sip, just to think about what it tastes like, and I actually might think I like the white iced mocha, or the iced white mocha better. But I'm going to give this review and let you guys know what I think. So it's a very strong chocolatey taste. It kind of tastes like chocolate milk, but if it was dark chocolate instead of regular chocolate and chocolate milk. I don't know, that's kind of the vibe I get from it. It's a stronger chocolate where you taste the chocolate liqueur and less the sugar. Although I do expect this to have a decent bit of sugar in it as well. I haven't checked the macronutrients on it, but usually when they top it off with whipped topping, it's not going to be the healthiest thing for you. But it tastes good, so that's what we get it for. And it's got that really strong taste of chocolate, which is similar to a mocha, but instead this time it's iced. And in a hot mocha, you don't really notice it that much because it's so hot, it tastes like a hot chocolate. This, it's iced, so it's a little bit different. You get to taste it a little bit more authentically, I guess. So yeah, the flavor is incredibly strong. And it tastes like chocolate. It doesn't taste like anything artificial or nonsense like that. It just tastes like chocolate in a mocha. And that's what it is. So although it is cold, you do get to taste it a little bit more intensely. So that's one thing about it. But I love the whipped topping. Some of Starbucks whipped topping always tastes good. It should come with a spoon on the end of these things so you can just eat it. But it's good. I would give the iced mocha from Starbucks a solid 7.5 out of 10. As you can see, very dark, and I mentioned that a few times. The flavor is like a stronger chocolate milk and a dark chocolate kind of flavor, which is good, but I actually think I like the white mocha better, the iced white mocha, because it's a lot sweeter. Because white chocolate's more milk than chocolate liqueur, so it's got a sweet taste to it, and it pairs well with everything that goes on. The chocolate mocha, regular mocha, it's just very chocolatey. And iced, I don't know, not as good as the iced white mocha, but it's still very good. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next video.